the Loomis Chafee School, where students are always active and always moving. But the question is, who exercises more on an average day during spring term? Boys or girls? Hello. Adrienne, what do we want to know?
We want to know if Loomis Chafee boys and girls spend the same amount of hours exercising in a typical day during spring term.
Yay!
Why are we going to do this, Adrienne? We're curious to see, Annabelle, whether or not boys or girls are more dedicated to their athletics and fitness at Loomis Chafee School.
You forgot about a destiny. You buried me.
So how will we figure this out, Annabelle?
Since this is an observational study, we will survey every fourth girl and every fourth boy that walks into the dining hall randomly. Then, we will compile the data and run a 2-sample t-test.
When are we going to do this, Annabelle?
Surveying people in May 2012 about the spring term in 2012.
Where are we doing this survey? We are collecting samples within the Loomis Chafee student population.
Who is surveying these people, Adrienne, and who are they?
Of course, it's us who's surveying, Annabelle, and we're surveying every fourth boy and every fourth girl who walks into the dining hall.
Stuck inside of yesterday. Everything is given.
4. Hey! Michael Giacco, on a typical day in spring term, how many hours do you exercise? Woo!
How many days
How many hours
in a day?
in a day?
In a typical spring term day.
How many hours?
Yeah.
How about minutes?
On one day or like how many?
day.
On what?
On one day.
Full day.
How many hours I expect?
Yeah.
About 2.
2? All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.
2 hours?
Every day, maybe one.
45 minutes?
2?
500.
500.
500.
That's going to be an outlier.
Is our null hypothesis.
Our null hypothesis is that girls and boys exercise the same amount on a typical day at Loomis Chafee.
And what is our alternative hypothesis?
Hypothesis is that boys exercise more than girls.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you think, on average, per day, that girls or boys spend more time exercising in the spring term?
Oh, definitely guys.
Definitely guys? Boys? Boys?
Boys.
Boys?
Yep.
Probably boys.
How many boys?
Boys.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Boys? Why?
Guys work out more. Boys.
Boys? Why?
Because.
Because... Dot.
Boys are better.
Think you think girls exercise more?
Yeah.
Probably girls. Yeah,
Girls? Girls?
because they care more about bikini season.
Why do you think that?
Because they have to get ready for bikini season.
Good. Alright. I think girls.
Probably girls.
Girls?
Girls.
Girls? And
I
why?
think girls spend more time exercising.
Girls exercise more than the guys.
Yay! So what variable are we testing,
The
Annabelle?
quantitative variable that we are testing is the number of hours that boys and girls exercise.
Since this is a quantitative variable, we think that the median is a better measure of center than the mean. The mean of the boys' data is 1.54 hours, as opposed to the mean of the girls' data, which is 1.52 hours. Since the mean values only differ by 0.02 hours, the median is a better measure of center. Also, the means could be swayed by the outliers of the boys at 0 hours and the outlier of the girls at 4 hours, which is also why the median is a better measure of center. Based on the box plot below, the boys appear to have a median of 1.75 hours, while the girls appear to have a median at 1.5 hours. The shape of the two graphs is a normal curve for the girls, while the boys is slightly skewed right. And the spread appears to be a range of 0.5 hours to 3 hours for the boys, with an outlier at 0 hours, and 0 hours to 3 hours for the girls, with an outlier of 4 hours. Based on our survey, our data does not convey statistically significant evidence to say that boys exercise more hours than girls. So, we will fail to reject our null hypothesis, saying that Loomis JP boys and girls exercise the same amount of hours on a typical day during spring term.
No.
You think it's equal?
I think, yes.
Pretty equal.
There's some boys and some girls that exercise more than others.
So you don't think that we'll find significant statistical evidence that there's a difference?
I don't.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.